Welcome back to 123 vlog, and first of all, I'm so excited. I'm just so happy, Lucia, to see you again and to see your face, and oh my goodness, it's just so amazing. I'm so amazed that you met one of our viewers in Vienna, and I think it's so great. But it's actually also pretty scaring because it reminds you that people are watching these videos and just how small the world is, because not a lot of people are watching our videos and still you ran into somebody in Vienna, so that's really amazing and really scary. But it's a good time to tell you guys how much I appreciate all of you guys for watching this and for sticking with us, and just telling you how much I love you guys. Thank you so guys for just being there, and yeah, put it like clicking the thumbs up, leaving a comment. Thank you for supporting, and yay. So Lucia, we're talking about just giving a short update. So I thought that's what I'm gonna do with this video too for this week. I'm gonna there's a lot going on right now. I just had a friend visiting from Oklahoma for 9 days. Vicky, thank you so much for coming. It was just so amazing to see you again, and I loved having you here. I was a little sad that I didn't have a little more time to do stuff with you because I had university. But thank you so much for coming. I love you. I hope I see you again really, really soon. I start crying after you know, went into the bus to go to Italy. I hope you have a great time in Italy and Greece and a great year in China. And yeah, like that's something that was going on the last 1.5 weeks. And then I'm also writing my bachelor degree paper right now, which is a lot of work. It's more work than I thought it's gonna be. I have to do a survey for it. So yeah, it's a lot going on. But also not just like with my life. There's so much happening on YouTube this week. I mean, it's just crazy if you think like all the discussion about YouTube culture and idolizing YouTubers and YouTube stars, and like it's like really, I saw a couple of videos like already a month ago or something, but right now it's just a huge discussion, and it's just this huge topic that everybody's talking about, and I think it's an important topic that people talk about it. And then like 2 days ago, yesterday or 2 days ago, I just looked at my Twitter feed, and like you scroll 10 hours back because it's, European time, and like everything was full of this hashtag yes all women, and it puts like feminism into light a little more, and it gives like a spotlight to all this important stuff, and of course Megan Tonja's butt all over the news, which was just so awesome to see. Which also, like, for me, like this topic is two topics are kind of connected to each other. Also, if some people don't see it this way, because one is like body image and the other thing is like feminism. I think these two topics fit actually really good together for me, because why do I have to, as a woman, look pleasing to you and not just to myself? Like, yeah, like that's a whole topic, and oh my goodness, yeah, like so much happening. I would love, like, I always like, oh, that's an interesting topic, I want to make a whole video about it, and then I just remember, oh, 2 more weeks for my bachelor paper, 40 more pages to go, no time for that. But like, I just thought with this short video, just gonna talk to you, let you guys know what's going on in my head. In you know, I'm not that much online, but I still see what is happening on YouTube. It's an amazing week. It's an amazing time. I'm really excited. I'm getting close to the end of my studies, and I'm just excited for what is coming. I'm excited to see you guys a little more when I move back to Vienna. I'm excited for our trip to Paris in July with Lucia, and oh my goodness, I'm excited for next week's video. I'm not gonna tell you guys, it's gonna be a surprise, but next week is gonna be a themed week again. And I hope this video you're gonna get to know us a little bit better. Um, if you have any idea what it could be that we are doing next week, guess in the comments below. Tell us what you think. Or if you have any ideas what we maybe should be doing in the future, leave it in the comments below. Tell us what you think. Yeah, that's it for me for this week. It's already 6 minutes again, so thank you for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up and liking the video, and I see you guys next week.